Alright, I think I'm streaming now. Don't really know how to check with fucking YouTube.
Alright, I'm gonna add the full Binance watch list. Why did Salt get sold right there? Like, it didn't even get bought, it just got sold.
I don't even know.
Hella sad. Alright, I have an idea. What I'm gonna do is, since with TradingView Premium you can add multiple watch lists, I'm just gonna add every single Binance coin to one watch list. I think that would steer a lot of clutter, actually.
Is there any way to like make the watch list longer? Cause like I don't, you know, like
Yeah.
on TradingView, I don't need
Here,
this
let me
like
show you.
details bullshit. Go to my stream, and then I'm pointing out like this fucking bullshit right here, like the headlines. I don't know how to remove that shit.
Look at this. Look at mine. That's what mine looks like.
Yeah, how do I make that longer?
Uh,
Oh, I can drag it. Alright.
yeah, it's really easy. I can't believe you've been doing that all this time. I'd go fucking crazy already.
Yeah, it was like so fucking small.
You literally see probably 3-4 times more now.
Yeah, yeah. Alright, Nano's taking a dump. GG. We had that small play on it.
Did everyone get out?
They should have. I told them to stop loss around like 152.
Rip. I'm
Yeah,
adding
I
all
also said-
Binance coins right now.
Yeah. I'm not gonna add all of Binance. Like, I'm just going through the Binance PC app. I look for trades there.
I'm going through everything, or I'm putting everything in besides like Ether, like Ven, like these type of shit that I don't ever watch anyway.
Nano straight dumping. Let's see DGD. It's not really falling. Encash doing alright. I think I'm gonna pick up more like around. I would want to pick up more around like 305.
Walton coin, Walton chain, whatever the fuck it's called, it has some volume right now.
It does.
It's been a while.
But I don't think now's the time to be like buying out. This is like finding
No.
these opportunities.
No, definitely not.
I think we should look at Nano. Like, why is it like just straight up being market sold right now? You know?
Yeah.
there some
I'm just
FUD?
looking for a 2-hour play.
Nano. You know there's gonna be a bounce. There has
I'm
to be.
still
a bounce.
adding. Let's see. Hold on.
Like, so many people are gonna be looking at it.
Yo, GVT has a lot of volume too. Oh shit, why do I keep hearing people leave?
On what?
BCPT got listed on Binance. I didn't know that. Did you know that?
What?
BCPT got listed on Binance?
BCPC? Yeah,
BCPT.
it's been on fucking Binance.
I didn't know.
Unless you're saying like the hard fork coins for the Z Classic. But the other shit's been on Binance.
Oh wait, this is Block Mason credit. What?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, what the fuck are you smoking?
I thought that was the ZCL fork.
No. Alright, I looked at Bay earlier.
Yeah, I'm not looking at any Tier X coins though. Yo, what the fuck? I'm looking at BCPT and this huge ass sell wall just came up, like massive tsunami type shit.
Yeah, it's because everyone's selling out while Bitcoin's bullish. Like we broke 11.2. That was like the local resistance. And we're falling back down, kind of like just like a small pullback. Probably shorts close, longs closing.
Oh my god, there's so many coins. I actually can't add them all. I thought I was gonna be able to add a lot, but fuck.
I was
There's
something
actually
that helps
so
right
many.
now is like I also go through Tab Trader on my phone because like that gives me like a nice overview.
I need another monitor so I can put up every single Binance coin on like a watch list thing. So like I see it all on one screen. Like right now I have to scroll on TradingView and I don't like that shit.
So
It's fucking inconvenient.
let's see. Let's go on down. Tab Trader, Ethereum's falling, Ven's falling, Neo's going up. No, that's Neo USDT. BQX is going up.
Yo, there's a lot of volume on these shitty coins.
LRC looks to be making a cut. Let's go take a look at LRC real quick. I can kind of see it. Let's chart it. It's staying below the cloud so far though. Let's go to 4 hour. It's just going down so hard. Why? So let's see with LRC. Ooh, that's bad. Alright, I'm not gonna touch fucking LRC right now. That's so fucking rough though. What the hell?
Hold on.
Do you see this shit?
Not yet.
For like a week straight, it has gone from like fucking 7,400 down to 4,800. That's a lot.
Yeah, look at RCN.
Alright, let's look at RCN.
I gotta do a full retracement.
Shitty. Kind of looks the same thing as fucking LRC, honestly.
Yeah.
That's so ass. They're at pretty low support over the course
I
of 7
wonder.
days too. Let me go look at Bitcoin
I want-
dominance.
I wonder.
41%.
It's pretty high right now, but I wonder if Tika is gonna shill RCN again.
Well, you got 3 weeks until then.
Yeah.
Total market cap isn't really going up still. So it's not new money entering. It's just people exiting altcoins back into bitcoins for the dominance.
Yeah. Exactly.
Which is kind of bad. It kind of tells you, like, over the past, like, 2 weeks, it kind of tells you what's going on. Like, dump fucking
It's pretty
altcoins.
bad.
People are going to take a profit.
Yeah.
Like, all the people who are, like, long-term holders, they're selling out now. Capitulation.
Yeah, and then when Alter's so low, I wonder what's gonna happen though.
Exactly. It's
Because
like,
if there's no new money coming to Bitcoin, it's like people kind of have to start buying Alt again because they're just gonna be so cheap. But then it's a war between cheap Alt versus bull Bitcoin, and you know Bitcoin's gonna win that one.
I remember what happened last time with fucking, I was looking at Ethereum and Bitcoin, like how like Ethereum was like at the lowest point it's ever been since like fucking August.
Yeah,
Not now,
yeah.
since April, not August, April. And let me see. I actually drew the line right here. It was yeah.
All right, I added 40 coins to my watch list. I'm gonna go through them all right now.
Let's go to daily candles.
So what is BNB doing? It's kind of sitting. It's about to sit on the like the fake support at 9K. coming down. Not worth buying. What is Neo doing?
They're all gonna follow Bitcoin. Like all the USDT trading pairs, they're gonna follow Bitcoin, but then that means they're also gonna fall super hard against the BTC pair.
Yeah.
Neo BTC looks bullish on the daily candles.
We might see a bounce from XRP soon.
Yeah.
But I don't know though. This shit looks like it can keep falling. It's
Neo's
kind of
bullish
sitting.
on the daily.
I kind of like XRP right now, but at the same time, there's no immediate buy. I feel
No.
it's not worth buying.
I think-
Probably.
No, I wouldn't buy XRP. I feel like it's hugging the line too closely on the 4-hour. It's gonna just dump. Actually,
We need to
it
find
actually already
something-
fell through support.
We need to find something sitting on the fib that we can buy, or that's coming to the fib.
And cash falling. Looks like it's breaking downwards out of this pennant. Very small one.
GVT made like almost a cup, kinda. You gotta look at it on the hourly. It kind of did make a cup, and then I guess you could classify that as a handle, but it's not really a good cup or handle. It just kind of looks like it went parabolic. Yeah, I don't know why GVT's breaking out though. Is there like some
Hedge against Bitcoin.
catalyst?
There's always that one coin. Hedge against Bitcoin. When everything goes down, everyone wants a coin that goes up. They pick one coin. You see it going up with Bitcoin, and then they all buy in.
Apparently, they got an alpha version this month, so
I don't think that's good enough. Catalyst.
look at ICN.
I still think that like there's a couple of Bittrex coins that are like worth playing, like Melon.
Bittrex is becoming like Topia. There's a galore of fucking shit coins sitting on, like the bottom right now. If you buy them, then you're gonna be fucking rewarded in like a month. But the question is, can you hold that long before getting raped?
Capitulation.
Sound
ended up being a
resumed.
decent move, 213 to 217. I mean, nothing crazy, but yeah, I should have bought it at 205. But I was too scared. Bitcoin uncertainty.
You got in at what? 213?
I think XVG
13.
Sound muted.
will be a play though.
I think so, but just like not yet.
Not yet. You're right. I'm probably gonna start buying around. Well, the FIT says to buy at like under 500, but if it falls under 500, it's like kind of scary. Because then we could see 400. CND bounced.
Yeah, I saw CND earlier.
It bounced off the 786. Damn. What about POA? This shit looks dead.
The recent listing.
XLM, let's see. Cool. I think we gotta watch XLM, XVG, TRX, XRP.
With
those
all these
coins.
fucking shitty high market cap coins.
Yeah, as soon as Bitcoin goes 20K, that's like the time to look at them because I feel like that's when more people are gonna buy in. You know, it's funny people don't buy in now; they wait till
Here's the thing.
Bitcoin
Here's the thing.
goes to 20K and then they buy and then they complain. But yeah,
Here's the thing.
it's
When
nature.
Bitcoin bulls, that's when the news media is gonna pick it back up. That's when everyone's gonna be
Exactly.
like, all right, they're gonna remember Bitcoin. They're like, all right, I regret selling. I'm gonna FOMO in. I'm gonna hold strong this time, and then they're gonna look for the next coin, like TRX. Remember, like, I remember making a lot of money. I saw so many percentage gains,
Yeah,
like fucking TRX, XVG. They're gonna look for like 7x, 10x, whatever.
Yep.
And they're gonna look at the cheapest coins. Coins under
Yep.
$1, not even under
$1
under 10
or even
cents.
10 cents.
And we all know that Tron is a meme now.
Yeah, pretty much. But I feel like there's still a lot of people who like it for some reason.
But
There's
you know,
money to be made off of Tron for sure, just because of Justin. But we won't see the same gains as before.
but you know,
I don't think we're gonna. Go ahead.
you know what the new coin is? It's gonna be fucking Encash. I'm calling it right now. Encash could be
So
a
why don't you
10x.
fucking buy it then,
I am gonna buy it.
bro? I don't like buying shit like that. I hate speculative shit like that.
I'm buying it, but like not yet. I'm letting it fall more.
Maybe I'll follow you a little bit.
Cause like, there's no point buying right now. Like, yeah, I like it. Yeah, I was gonna play it for the short term. But Bitcoin's being bullish. Like, there's no point fighting that. Like, just let it do its thing. Let it drop, and then you'll pick it up out on its low. And then afterwards, you just huddle. You
You know
huddle. You wait
what-
for out season, and it pulls like 5x, 10x, whatever.
You know what's hella confusing?
What?
The fact that HSR is ranked 48 in CoinMarketCap still. Like, no one trades this shit, no one buys this shit, no one holds this shit, no one likes this shit. And just because it trades at that price, it gets to stay there. Because, like, all you have to do is, there only has to be one person buying it for that price, you know, for it to be that price. So, that's how market cap works.
Mm. What about Ethereum Classic? Would that even count as a fucking bull planet?
But look at HSR, though. Like, I feel
Tiny.
like, just look at HSR and tell me. Like,
Nah, it's a shit coin. There's no point.
the chart is nice, man. It's just fucking nasty and flat and shit. I like it.
No. That's disgusting. It fell through
Yup.
support too. I think it's gonna go down further.
If this shit goes to 200 sats, I'll buy it.
Dude, this shit HSR can go down to like 742 right now.
Oh, it could fall anywhere. I agree.
I'm not touching this shit.
But, like, I don't know why people are trading it at this price. It just doesn't make sense. Like, it's not even like Tron is pumping makes sense type of thing, but it's just like no one trades this shit. It should just be so much lower.
Look at Ethereum Classic. 30-minute, the past 4 candles. It's tiny. Tiny bull.
That's not good. That is definitely not good.
Look how tiny it is. I think some people are bullish on Ethereum Classic though.
I mean, if you look at the 4 hour, it looks like it's primed for a bounce. I think that there's like an uptrend too, kind of.
Yo, Nanos, but jump in hard or dump it.
We might be able to buy Ethereum Classic here. Oh shit! Did it just bounce?
They would just
Never
bounce.
mind. No. I was looking at the 4 hour. It already bounced.
For what?
Sucks. Ethereum Classic.
Ah.
4 hour looks pretty good actually.
Yo, Nano, I think we buy at 130.
Let me see this shit.
Buy at 30, we dump at like 136. Just like small scout. It looks like 130 is the
Damn,
support.
that thing fucking fell.
That's
It's
what
sitting
I'm
on. It's sitting on the 0.236 right now.
For me, it's 0.5. I redrew the fib to like the recent high in like the
Oh,
previous
okay.
low.
Yeah. I'm looking at the old one still.
No, I can see where you drew your line. It's bouncing
Yeah.
here.
So let me see.
But thing is, like, I don't know. The support's around like 128 to like 130. That's
So
like
for you right now,
the real
it's sitting on the 0.5, right?
here. I redrew it. I see where you're looking at.
Yeah.
I don't like that low for the fib. I drew it like the bottom was down at like 113.
Yeah, I saw where you drew yours. I don't know which one to use in this situation. I guess just look at both of them.
Yeah, you just like gotta change it, because everything's like subjective.
So for you, it's sitting at the 0.5 though.
Yes.
So you want to buy at 0.382?
Yeah, 0.382 looks like it has a decent support level, but not really
The
that
prob-
strong.
Okay, the problem with using such a small fib is that you're assuming that it's going to trade with small volatility in between those levels, you know?
Yeah.
And right now, that's actually, it could do that because every candle is actually pretty small right now. So it could do that. I'm looking at the hourly, but there's
I'm
no
looking at the
huge
hourly, too.
candles. Yeah, so like it could trade under your fib more than mine, but yeah, we'll just look at both.
I'm looking at the 2 hour now. Recent lowest point and recent highest point, like at 170 and like 113. That shows it around the 0.382 level. Not really liking that either.
I don't like looking at the 2 hour.
I like the 2 hour. I've been liking the 2 hour a lot more.
I think the just 1 hour and 4 hour. That's 4 hour for time zones, and then 1 hour is to get the better look. 2 hour is kind of just I don't know. I don't think there's really a good place for it.
I do the same.
You use 2 hour too, Snaky?
No, 1 hour, 4 hour.
Oh yeah. No, I go lower time frames. Like I'll look at the 4 hour first, and then I'll go down a little bit.
I look at 30-minute if it's like the price is moving very fast, but overall, like I look at 1 hour, 4 hour. Right now, I'm looking at like BTC at the 1 day chart, and it's actually looks really, really nice. Broke out of my downtrend.
Look at the 4 hour. It looks pretty good too.
Bittrex just issued a statement saying that they're not going to support the Ethereum Classic hard fork.
Well, let's buy the dump then.
Yeah, BTC's over the Ichimoku cloud and on the 4 hour chart. It's nice.
I don't know. Like I switched Nano from like just like the lowest and top of the bull pennant, and the 0.618 is around 12778 for Nano. So it looks like around there. You're looking for a support. If it holds, then it's fine. But I think it's gonna fall down lower to the 0.5, which is gonna be around 115. And if 1.115 drops, then it's gonna fall down to 0.001.
You know what?
Like 0.001.
Here, I'm gonna tell you this. I think it's gonna give one more red candle or two more red candles on the 4 hour because this is. I don't think it's gonna have like an engulfing after this candle ends in 2 hours or whatever. Like look at the 4 hour, right? If you look at the original fib, we could fall to the top of the cloud, the most recent cloud,
For what
and
point?
that for Nano. Okay, so that would fall perfectly at the 0.382, so you would have the Ichimoku plus the fib bounce and plus hold on, you would
Well, the
not
cloud,
that
for me, the cloud would be at 0.00127.
for me the cloud is at 0.122.
Huh. The bottom of the cloud?
No, the top of the cloud. The top of the cloud is now
Oh,
support.
you're saying for the next candle. I'm talking about like
Yeah.
I'm looking at like maybe 3-4 candles from now.
Oh,
4 hour, like that. I'm talking about that one.
okay. It could go there too. I'm just saying, like in general, around that area.
Yeah.
That's where the 0.382 fib is also. So not only do you have the Ichimoku support, but you have the fib support too. So I think you can buy there. I don't think buying 1.3 would be the best buy. I think playing it safe and getting that buy would be better in my opinion.
Yeah.
And then also, I mean, if you want to include it, the SMA 50 is right at the
Nah, I don't play
Ichimoku
that
cloud too.
shit.
So it's like you're getting a lot of indicators telling you this is a support area. So I feel like, I mean, it's just something to look at, you know. Not you don't have to play it, but it's just something to give you that little more edge. All right, let's buy this Ethereum Classic dip, baby.
It's hardly dumped.
Probably dumped already. That's why.
Yeah.
No,
Williams
but
R for Nano's going down too. It's about to be in the.
moving averages are actually pretty useful as support resistance, depending.
Just gonna watch Nano.
Yeah, you watch Nano. Oh, Knowles, hold on. Okay, Knowles.
ICX is chilling at the bottom of this falling wedge that I had up for it.
Yeah, I was looking at ICX yesterday. I know another Discord group that signaled it, but they signaled it like at 3.5.
Yeah, I got in at like 37 and I got stopped out at 34. I mean, it is what it is.
Let me take a look at ICX right now. How was
Alright,
it?
look at Knowles.
Yeah, like I'm looking at the 4-hour chart is trying to bounce off a little bit off the bottom support that I made for it.
I don't think it's
I mean,
good.
yeah, my chart is different from yours, but
Ooh, that looks cool.
I like Knowles right now, too. Are you looking? Or are you looking at ICX?
I'm looking at ICX right now.
Let me check this shit out.
It's not.
Yeah.
ICX I wouldn't buy here. Let me just quickly chart the like resistances and support.
I just posted what I have my chart.
Alright, let me take a look at that.
I don't think it would be a bad buy here. But it's like kind of no man's
It,
land.
it can go down a little bit more. I feel like it will go down to like 3,000.
Yeah, I could
Or
go
I mean
to 3.
30,000.
3 would be nice because that's a whole number support.
Alright, first let me
And
draw
plus
your
that was
wedge.
previous resistance also.
Don't judge my terrible TA-ness.
I see something nice right here. 1 second.
I see downtrend channel. Lol.
On ICX?
Yeah, I don't see a wedge. I see downtrend channel on the 4 hour.
I have a wedge on mine. And I also plotted mine, I think, also on 4-hour.
I think if
yeah,
you have a wedge, then it's kind of forced.
I mean, I'm just going off like what I saw. Like, it bounced off my wedge, so I feel like... But, like, I can also see a downtrend. Like, my top line, I'm pretty sure is pretty solid.
Alright, hold on.
You can easily see
I'll be right back.
downtrend. Right. I see Robin's downtrend now. That's a hell of a downtrend.
You see
But-
it, yeah?
Yeah, I see it. I see what you're talking about. Yeah. I wasn't looking at it that way. I was looking at it like from February onwards, because even then, even if I take out my bottom line, I can still see the downtrend, and it still lines up with yours. So, or at least my top line's slightly angled off, but the sentiment is still there.
Yeah, I think we'll buy around 3K, scale down to 2,500 for.
Yeah,
ICX.
like I'm gonna have some buy orders lined up soon.
See.
Like if I just throw all my BTC right now at or whenever it gets down to like 3,000, I'll have more than double the ICX that I have now already. Which, yeah.
Alright, and then let me take a look at Knowles. What time frame? 4 hour?
I think he said 4 hour.
He muted.
Yeah. Yeah, just look at 4 hour just for him.
I'm looking at looks honestly, unless it bounces at a bottom with the cloud.
Yeah, I'm still excited though that BTC lined up with how I predicted it would move the past couple of days.
Yeah.
Like I posted a couple times, but like this is how it's gonna look like full scale now. Let me just send it to you.
Alright, I see what he posted. He for Knowles. Let me draw it real quick.
I just posted it in the channel. Like I'm like I couldn't believe that actually happened. I felt like that would happen, but didn't think it would actually happen. Yay.
For Bitcoin?
Yeah.
You're trying to like do Elliott waves?
No. Well, maybe.
Because like if you do an Elliott wave, like first of all you gotta like measure angles and shit, and then
Yeah,
it's
no,
one- it's,
I
like, one of the most
actually
subjective
I didn't
indicators.
try Elliott Wave actually. I didn't do any of that.
I know. It just seems like you were just trying to predict it.
Yeah, I
Trend line
was, and
nice.
yeah, and it just like was almost nailed it pretty much.
Yeah. Bear trap right here.
Yeah.
For Knowles, let's see. No Tempest has a downtrend channel, or downtrend line at least. Look at this point. I don't know. I wouldn't play Knowles. Gotta wait for it to break out first. Because I remember trying to play fucking Litecoin USD. And they had a significant downtrend line. Litecoin looks bullish actually, but not
Which one?
Litecoin.
Oh.
Well, not Litecoin, BTC, just like Litecoin USD.
Yo,
Yeah, I looked at Knowles, like, I would wait for it to break out first.
I'd buy at like the end of that. Actually, what I've noticed lately is that coins that are like pinching in like that end up falling below the 0.786 halfway, and then they bounce back up and try to test the 0.5 or whatever. Or no, sorry, 0.618.
Oh, by the way, what Ichimoku settings do you use, Robin?
I used No Tempest. Fucking.
20, 61, 20, 30.
Oh damn, yeah, you might want to post that. I'm not gonna remember.
Yeah, sure.
Thanks, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna adjust this.
Poker chips, CHP's listed on IDEX.
Yo, IDEX is like coming up though,
It is.
getting more volume.
I haven't used it yet though.
It's ranked 54. 9 million volume, but I mean, start somewhere.
What was that coin? Tomo coin?
Tomo, yeah.
Oh no, I don't want to buy it.
I don't know anything about it. I just posted it because I was like,
Well, Venture Coinus is shilling it, and CryptoGat is shilling it. But I don't know though. Super hype on a shitty exchange.
and you know what happens when we buy shit like that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this looks nicer. Thanks. No Tempest. Oh, and I get moving day averages? Okay. Finally. Oh man, this is beautiful.
Yo, buy TradingView Pro for me.
Oh, I don't have TradingView Pro. Sorry.
It's nice, man. You need it.
And then I was triggering Williams Fix Fix on the 30-minute candle.
I just wish it wasn't so expensive.
Yeah. I mean, I'm only using like Ichimoku Cloud and RSI on mine. I don't have MACD on because I don't think I can turn on because that's 2 indicators. Or more than 2 indicators.
I got like 4 indicators, but like 3 is too little. They fucking got the golden number, bro. 3 is so little.
Well,
Like,
yeah. They know.
4 is like what you need.
Triggered.
They're smart as fuck.
Oh, I can get a 30-day free trial. Nice.
Yes, that's what I'm on right now.
Oh boy.
Long
Top-
XRP.
It is falling. Why would you go long on XRP? No.
Why? Who? What?
No, don't do it.
Rip.
I
Top
wanna-
mentioned symbols, Zcoin, 29%.
What kind of handles does this guy have?
Let's look at Zcoin. I think
Oh,
he's trying
yeah.
to do like Heikinashi.
Weird. You want to see something retarded?
What?
One sec.
Yeah, Zcoin has not hit any of my lines. But it did pump super hard.
Oh, let me check. I haven't actually looked at Zcoin in a few days.
A few days. I thought you were done with that shit.
I don't
Here,
know. I'll,
check out my
I'll probably
TA.
get into it soon.
I think that's some quality TA right there.
Tic-tac-toe, bitch.
Oh no, Zcoin still has a while to go.
Yeah, it
Like
does.
I think it's in a falling wedge also, but I think it might break down from it. I think it'll just keep going down and down. It's already past 7, the 6, the 5. It's going to be approaching the 0.382. I think it might break down under that fib line.
I'm waiting for Bitcoin to go towards 12K more. 11.8.
Yeah, it's getting up there.
I think we're extremely bullish.
Yeah. Oh wait, are you looking at? Wait, BTC right now is 11.20, 238, 240.
I'm saying I want to see it go up there, test the local resistance.
Oh yeah.
Or like other resistance. 11.8.
Yeah, that was. Yeah, you're right. That was the most recent resistance. It got rejected at. Mm. I think it might break through it, but it just depends on volume. I can't see how much volume we have right now.
I think right now we need to... We're gonna flag here, because that wick on the last close.
Yeah.
I
Well,
think
are
we're
you
just
looking
gonna-
at it on the 2 hour?
I'm looking at 30 minutes
Or-
right now.
Oh, 30 minutes.
Look at 1 hour. Yeah, I don't like that wick.
Oh, you Getting my flag here.
It needs to consolidate here. Like
Yeah.
maybe it's gonna hover around like 11.1 to 11.25. Or it could pump because you know this is a new 2-hour candle. And I look at the 4-hour. This is
4 hours is just a solid green.
yeah.
You can't make any conclusions off of that. But I see what you're saying on the 30. But yeah, it's too early to tell. Give it like another 2 hours, 3 hours.
2 hours for the 4-hour to close.
No, well, I was gonna say like if you're looking at the 30-minute chart to see like if maybe there's a flag forming on that. But yeah, for the 4 hour, we're gonna be waiting all night.
It is. There's nothing to buy right now, really.
Nope.
Strat is kind of going up. Let's take a look at that.
It looks like BTC is also trying to form a very ugly cup and handle. Like if it can just go back up to 11, like 757, like it does look like it forms a cup, sort of. A very ugly one though.
Actually, I saw a. Yeah. I saw a chart where someone tried to chart this as a cup and handle.
That was me.
Yeah.
That was me
That's
because
just
like
I saw it elsewhere too.
yeah, like because I was seeing like that first half of the cup form. I'm like this looks suspicious, so I just like left it on there so I can come back and check it out later on.
Yeah.
But you know, if that right side, well, this right side looks like shit. But you know, if it gets back up there, does look cupish.
It does.
But you know, I can't force anything. I just thought it was interesting at the time.
Kind of watching Nano right now, see what it's gonna do. I think we're gonna have a bounce here. Boy, it's not gonna be a strong bounce. It's like dead cat before it continues more, like further downwards. Cause like people are gonna be spooked already for the people who didn't sell and just held. They're gonna want to sell on this bounce. Alright, ADX looks interesting.
Oh, 8x. I haven't looked at that in forever.
Not enough trading volume for me though. Don't like it.
Kyber is looking pretty ugly as well.
KNC?
Yeah, KNC. It's right now at literally the second to last support line, second to last fib line. And because the next one below that is literally rock bottom.
Alright, I feel like KNC has been like a super big disappointment for people.
Yeah, but like they have like mainnet coming out in like a month or at the end of this month. They should have it out. So that's a pretty big fundamental catalyst. And it's like pretty much near rock bottom, if not already rock bottom.
Yeah.
I'll be kind of shocked if it breaks through this last bit of support and keeps going down, but you may never know. Like, let me just.
Oh, I was about to buy this shit like 2 days ago, and it was like a few sats away from my shit.
For what?
KNC.
Good thing you didn't buy. I think next support, yeah, next support is gonna be around 13 too.
No, if I bought, I would have got like 4% or some shit.
Yeah. Yeah, if this breaks through the 0.2 fib line, like around 1589, or 15.89. Like this shit's gonna keep going down.
Wait. Wait. 0.2 where?
I don't know. The second to last fib line that I drew for Kyber.
0.786. Well, I guess we should just say 0.7 to make it easier.
All right. Yeah. Okay. Sure. That works.
Or 0.8. Should we say
yeah.
0.8? 0.8. Yeah. 0.8.
Yeah.
Around it.
Yeah. Like around that area, like it would be what consider 16,000 sats. Like that is like pretty much almost like the last bit of support before and the next one below that is 7,000. Or at least that's how I have it drawn out. I'm just trying to look up a fundamental catalyst right now for Kyber. Yeah, by the 31st of this month, they should have their mainnet launch.
By the 31st.
Yeah, by or before the 31st.
So
A lot of room.
Yeah, there's a it's a lot of room between now and
not
then. So what?
Here's
I'm not
the
liking
thing.
it. Yeah, I think I can go drop down a lot more.
Here's the
Damn.
thing. So they did a progress update today, and this shit did not move.
Jesus. Yeah, I'm looking on the 1 hour chart. It's oversold. 4 hour is coming down a bit. Pumped a little bit earlier. And it's super oversold on the day chart. So take it for what it's worth. And it's oversold on the 30-minute chart as well.
Problem is, no one gives a shit about the main nets right now for any coin, really.
Are you sure about that? Because ICX pumped pretty hard with their main net. It pumped up to 98,000.
Yeah, well, besides ICX, because ICX is just all hype anyway.
Alright, hold on. I think K and C can have a pump in a week. But
Yeah,
I think
In a
it's going to
week.
drop down to like 13K.
but look,
Yeah.
so TRX announced that they were going to do their main net early, and no move. Like, this shit just got dumped, actually. That day that it actually fell below the price it was
What-
trading at before,
When is their main net coming out, though?
by the end of this month.
I think ICX. Let me see how ICX performed in the 2 weeks leading up to the mainnet launch. Because I think usually you'll start seeing action like the week or two before the
Usually.
launch. Yeah, and we still and if it like let's just assume it comes up the 31st for Kyber. Like we're
It's
not
gonna,
gonna.
no one, we're not going to see a price increase because people do not like last second deadlines.
Yeah.
So
K and
yeah,
C does
so
dump more.
yeah, ICX had their mainnet launch on the 30th, around the 30th of January.
Here's the thing.
and,
I would not touch ICX at all right now.
Wow. Really?
I highly suggest it because here's the thing, like the people who got in private sale, they invested over 5,000 Ethereum, and if you look at the return on investment right now, it's over 10x Ethereum price. The thing is,
okay.
like the people who got into private sale, they haven't gotten their tokens yet.
Really?
Yes,
Huh.
because
Interesting.
like they were like sorting up for the mainnet wallet right now, like it was locked up until then. So now they just got their wallet set up, and then I'm in a pool, but they didn't get their tokens yet. Same thing with Busto. Busto's supposed to be getting ICX tokens as well, but he hasn't gotten his yet, and I'm just waiting for that. Like once they get it, I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a big dump.
Gotcha.
like-
So you're saying even cheaper Kyber is coming out?
No, not Kyber.
I mean, like-
ICX
Oh, ICX. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. and Cash had a small bounce.
Yeah,
I would buy it.
ICX is under the third to last fib line. Wow. The 0.382 fib line. Jesus. I don't know how low this thing can go.
for ICX.
Yeah, for ICX. I wonder how low this thing can go.
I think start scaling in. Try to look under 3K.
Yeah, like once it starts approaching like 32K, like if it hits like 3.2K, I'm gonna start putting in positions. Just add to what I have already, because like I got ICX at like 1600, and I sold most of it, like a good chunk of it, before mainnet, but I held on
Yeah.
like to over half of it after mainnet. So that's my fault, but whatever. I held to like under a third of my VEN right after the rebrand. I should have dumped all of it, but whatever. I got that super cheap.
I feel like Syndicator might pop.
Syndicator?
Yeah, CNT. I don't know. It's just a feeling.
Let me look at some of these fundamentals if it has anything coming up. Ooh. Okay, so they have a speech coming up the 20th of March. They should have some trading robots by the end of the month. What the hell? And another big speech next month in Helsinki in Europe. So that's on the 17th of April. So you only have like 2 speeches and trading robots for Syndicator. I will look at, let me see what Rec has. Oh, Request has their mainnet also launching this month.
A lot of mainnets.
Yeah, and they're going to announce some more partnerships by the 31st.
I feel like
Some currencies. Yeah.
Yeah, Request is pretty stacked this month.
Yeah, they have 2 other big events coming up this month. That's pretty cool. Yeah, they have currencies integration and they have pay with request project.
One thing is like Request hasn't really been performing like return of investment wise like since ICO. It's been like once and it's not even 2x since then, and people are just like back holding the shit out of it. Same thing with Link.
Yeah, people have been shilling the hell out of that. I remember seeing that all over Biz and stuff, like buy Link, buy Link.
Yeah, I remember POT was down 70% or 75% on it.
Oh Jesus. I'm down like 80%
Link
on Kenya Coin.
Damn. On the daily candles, Link made a huge cup. This might be a huge ass fucking handle for the cup.
I can't find Link on TradingView. Damn it.
What?
Oh, wait.
LINK.
Oh yeah, never mind. I see. I was just reading it wrong. I haven't TA'd this yet, so can't say too much. But interesting. Wait, where are you seeing this cup at?
Do you have my stream open?
Yeah.
Right here. This big ass fucking.
What? Oh, this was back in November. Oh wow.
Like from the very beginning.
Yeah, I'm looking at February. Yeah, that's a pretty big cup, and a insufferably huge handle as well. Wow.
IOC though.
This is a coin that requires patience of the gods.
It does.
Like-
it really does.
Like, can you imagine if you bought it at like the high end? You sold at the bottom of this cup just only to watch it go up high again.
Oh my god.
Yeah, like if you look at it going from the bottom, like 1437, like around actually 1100 something, whatever, going all the way up to 9,000. Actually, no, the highest was 9,800. That's like almost a 9x right there. I feel
Alright.
bad for whoever sold at the bottom
Alright, I think this is the buy around 5k.
for for Link.
Yes.
So you think it'll go down to like 5k?
Yeah.
That's cute. That's real cute. Yeah, I can see where you're getting at. I just have to TA this. This is why you never sell at the bottom. Never ever do that.
One thing is you don't know the bottom.
Exactly.
Capitulation.
True.
When you just see it dropping below supports over and over and over again, it's just like When do you sell?
Yeah.
At what point do you say like, alright, I can't handle any more losses?
And then you sell it, and it turns out that was the bottom.
Yeah.
All along.
Happens a lot
then you just
actually.
hit- Yeah. Like Kenya coin, like I got this shit at 30k sats, and then that shit went all the way down to like 8k sats. I can't even open up Qcoin anymore because I'm gonna get reminded of Kenya.
Yo,
It's triggering.
that was a icky coin.
Fucking
Yeah.
Kenya, man. Is
Fucking
SK
Kenya.
Donut still holding it?
Yeah, he's holding it. We're all holding it.
Everyone in AI premium?
Uh, I can't say anything about the premium, but you know, in regular.
I sold that shit long time ago.
How much did you lose?
Like 60%.
Oh, GG.
That shit wasn't that bad. I think I rebought around like 27k and I sold it at like 14k.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm looking at Link now. I plotted out some meme lines of support, and yeah, it's below 0.5 fib line. I think you might be right with the
I think it's a
5k.
play.
If it drops down to 4 to the 0.4, like yeah, that'll be right around where you think the play will be. I
Yeah.
see you.
What are you guys talking about?
Link
Link.
on the daily candles.
Oh, I was looking at the 4-hour. Whoops.
Yeah, I was looking at daily.
Yeah, let me look at the daily. Yeah, the cup looks a lot better now on the daily.
Buy at 5k?
Yeah, 5k and under.
Yeah, 5.18 is like the 0.43 fib line for me. Or no, excuse me, not 0.4, 0.382. Why do I keep saying 0.4?
Bitcoin's still pushing.
0.382. Yeah.
Yeah, I think this is gonna do.
I got to read up more on Link. I have to read up more on Link. I haven't read it since like I first saw it on 4chan.
I have
Chilled.
no idea any
Chilled.
fundamentals about Link. I just know it's like a hype. I know people bag hold it. I know people still fucking shill it.
Yeah. I just look at it as 4chan's little baby. But it's been hilarious. Good memes.
Yeah, I don't think there's
Yeah.
a buy right now.
Yeah, I'm looking at Link right now. They have a conference in 12 days, and Link also has a Go Chainlink thing coming out on
Huh.
by the 31st, by the end of the 31st of this month. I don't know what that is, but I think that might be a big fundamental play. I have to read up on it though.
Alright, there's the ETC dump. It just
Wait,
broke
what?
down support.
Which one?
Ethereum Classic.
Rip.
Dump it.
Dump it.
Apparently Z Classic bounced super hard.
Wait, what? I gotta see this.
Nah, not really. It's fucking
Oh no, this thing is dead.
I like how you laughed so hard. Come on, man. Come on, bro, the absolute.
Oh god.
Come on, bro, the
No,
absolute.
I was in my head. I was thinking like it would bounce up to like 40,000 or something. You know, like would be like a 4x bounce from here.
Come on, I did like a 50%, like from like 81k to 124, 125. I did about 50%.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Yeah.
it's just
No,
fucking
this thing is so dead. It's like only just like 70,000 sats away from hitting the bottom. My bottom.
Alright, you see on my chart right here, like on my stream, like where I have my crosshair at, this was
Yeah.
like when Bittrex said that they weren't gonna support the fork. And like, you know, people were just like indecisive and they just like fucking bought it in like whatever direction it went and like, alright, we're gonna buy it. So they bought it up and then it dumped.
Look
That was
that
insane. That was like,
beautiful
look
red
at the
candle.
amount of zeros.
You know what was crazy?
0.01.
I actually saw that happen live. Like I was sitting at my
Damn.
desk at work, and I was just keeping track of it because I noticed it was dumping, and then all of a sudden, do. Like I thought it was going down to 0.
Can you imagine adding 2 zeros to your paycheck?
Oh my god.
And now imagine having 2 zeros taken away from your paycheck.
Oh Jesus Christ, dude! I feel bad for people that bought like at the top, or like that held on, like that bought at the top and like held on to through the fork. Because even after the fork,
There has
like
to
you
be
would
some.
still be
There
down.
has to be some people who are sleeping.
Yeah, probably.
Simple as that.
And well, what I'm hoping though is that at least some people got like stopped out at least.
You know.
Because
that's-
I got stopped. I got stopped out early. Before like 2 days before the fork, I got stopped out because of that dump down to $100.
Things like there's so many people who don't know. Like, all right, I don't need stop losses because you know cryptos is always gonna go back up. I don't
stop.
think
Real men don't use stop losses.
Looking Gators
Real men
Arca doesn't use it.
I don't use stop losses that much, but I did use on CCL because like I thought like because what I thought would happen would actually happen. I didn't think it would happen so low, but you know it is what it is. I took my profits. I don't give a shit. I'm happy.
Alright, I'm gonna go get drinks. Peace.
Beer.
What?
Beer.
No, this tapioca.
Oh, I'm disappointed.
I don't drink
Go-
like that.
Go get your little sun-kissed Kool-Aid drinks. Get out of here.